Hi everyone, we'll be unboxing the new iPhone XR, as you can see right here, all brand new. Let's open it and see what's inside of the phone. It's inside of the box, how it looks, what it feels. Looks like there is a manual, some stickers, just like usual stuff. And there's a phone. Man, it feels a little bit heavy than previous phones compared to iPhone X or the previous. Okay, let's wait until it's gonna come up. There is headphones, USB cable, and power, the charger, the wall plug. Let's see what's new about this. Man, it feels a little bit thicker, as you can see, the phone. That looks awesome. It looks like all of the screens are black on them, on the phones. Feels nice. A little bit bigger than iPhone X.